Miss Lina, can you take us back nung time na nag-start kayo? Sino po ba yung mga influences nyo bilang isang singer?
Mariah, syempre. Very Mariah. Tapos, Whitney Houston, yan, si Alicia Keys, mga nagsistart pa siya mga before. And a lot more actually. Nung bata pa ako talaga, when my dad was teaching me how to sing, andyan sila mga Matt Monroe, Julio Iglesias, sila Frank Sinatra. Kasi nung bata akong kinakanta ko talaga mga panlalaki. Kasi bilang daddy ko nagturo sa akin, ang mga kinikig niya sa akin is mga panlalaking kanta. So, nagkaroon ako ng sarili kong freedom to choose the songs that I would like to sing. Doon na narinig ko na sila Whitney,
And then yung journey nyo naman po on how you become a professional singer.
my journey, well, nagsimula ako kumakanta lang ako sa harap ng mga tito-tita, ganyan. Tapos binabayaran na nila, binibigyan nila ako ng mga, mga tawag, doon?
Reward.
Ganun, para kumanta.
Hindi
Yung tawag doon tayo. Sabi ko, kakanta lang ako, bayaran ako. So doon na nag-start yung parang gusto ko na rin palang kumanta, bigyan ako ng mga regalo, ganyan. Tapos eventually, sa mga schools, yan, kakanta ako. Di ba, ito naman talaga lagi nag-start school. Tapos singing contest, ganyan. Tapos after that, parang may kumuha sa akin na to play with the band. High school pa siguro ako na banda ako. Tapos,
Do you remember your first gig?
it was at Strums, Makati. Strums in Makati pa yun, naalala ko. Tapos, yun, na-enjoy ko na yung being able to sing live for everybody. Kasi iba yung feeling na may banda, live instruments, and all. So, doon na nag-enjoy.
And then, kailan nyo po na-realize na you already made it? Yung parang naririnig nyo na yung mga songs na sa radio.
Nung first time ko narinig yung song ko on the radio, syempre hindi ko pa naman finila, I made it. Kasi narinig ko rin yung song on the radio. Siguro yung time na nalaman ko na I was accepted as a singer and I made it as a singer in this industry was when I was receiving a lot of awards, a lot of recognitions. Syempre, hindi mo naman masasabi sa sarili mo na singer ka kung wala ka pang natatanggap na recognition bilang singer. So, those were the times, especially nung nagkaroon ng 10 times platinum yung live up. Yun talaga, okay, tanggap na nila. Love talaga nila.
Ano po yung pwede nyo maging advice sa mga aspiring singers na in-idolize po?
If they want to really, for the longevity of their career, yung champion talaga yung isip nila, siguro just be humble talaga. Hindi kasi fame will really get to your head once you get it. Or isipin mo na, I made it, okay na ako. Ganun. Tapos, parang mawawalan ka na ng respeto sa lahat, yung mga dating tumulong sa'yo, makakalimutan mo na. So, just be humble and remember all those people who helped you be where you are and surround yourself with the best people that you could lift, who could lift you up.
And with the new generation performers or singers that we have right now, sino po yung parang gusto nyo maging makakollab or yung pinapakinggan nyo recently?
Wala na ako actually pinapakinggan recently. Naririnig ko lang siya, pero hindi yung siya constantly yung pinapakinggan ko. Pero I'm vocal about this particular singer, si Maki. Maki, nagagalingan ako kay Maki. So I don't know what's with him, but when I watched him live on TV for the first time, okay siya. Like, he sang his song live. Ang galing, hindi siya yung parang pang ano lang pala, pang studio lang pala. Live, magaling siya ng live. And he sings also some covers na okay din tunog.
Since si Maki po kasi is a songwriter, kayo din po ba parang na-experience nyo na mag-write ng song?
Yeah, meron akong mga sinulat na kanta sa mga albums ko. Hindi lang siya yung ganun pinush, pero meron yung albums naman ako sinulat. Songs na sinulat sa akin.
Are there plans to have singles out soon?
Yeah, we're sure probably this year. Yeah.
Ako question.
Yes, go
Wow,
ahead.
Kasi 10 times platinum.
Yes.
And that is already, siguro dapat you're aware, alam mo yun, na it's already unbeatable. Because ngayon, ano na yun eh, puro streaming na. So parang Mariah Carey, Taylor Swift, hindi na, ano na, you cannot compare. So what's the secret you think, why mo na-achieve yung 10 times platinum? Sa dami ng diva, sa dami ng magagaling na Filipina singers also. So ano kayang secret ba't mo na-achieve yung 10 times platinum? Plus.
Siguro the realness of it. Like when I sang Nina live, it's who I am. I love singing live and people really felt it siguro that it was very authentic. So when we came out with the Nina live album, narinig nila na parang tunog live, parang totoo talaga. So yung authentic talaga eh, sobrang totoo and it's really me singing live. So yun siguro yun, yung pagiging totoo.
Alam ko siguro if I may add,
Yeah.
based on the observation,
Yes.
na siguro you capture the market na hindi lang puro girls, puro Becky, diba?
Oh,
I think
lahat.
na-capture mo lahat.
Oh.
And siguro it helps yung mga gigs sa bars, yung exposure.
Kumbaga, hindi naman ako yung parang biglaan lang eh.
Yeah.
Tagal na rin ako sa
True.
business and I do live for I can't remember when. So, yun lang siguro talaga. And I'm so, na-happy ako na hindi lang yung yun nga, yung mga Bex and mga members and whoever yung mga bata, pati yung mga anak ng mga parents, ngayon, alam na rin nila yung mga songs. So, I'd like to thank the parents for letting the children hear my album and more.
May Spotify pa kayo. What is your Spotify rap?
My
Spotify rap.
Iba-iba actually. Wala you mean playlist?
Apo.
Playlist ko now, mala Ariana Grande.
Ah.
Very Ariana Grande ang playlist. Pero minsan may touch of like mga Christopher Cross, ganyan, sailing, iba-iba eh, iba-iba. Siguro talagang depends on the feel of the moment.
I'm expecting Ariana Grande cover on the concert.
Why not? Sa secret, if there is or there isn't.
But given a chance po, yung magpipili po kayo ng isang guest na gusto nyo nalagay sa Love Matter, sino po yun?
Ako marami naman. Si Maki sana, no? Kasabakay niya siya. Si Maki, siguro ang daming pwede sila. Sila Mr. Martin Rivera, why not? O Gil Casid, or sila mga nakakatrabaho ko na rin. Pwede naman.
Na as an artist, paano nyo po sina-challenge yung sarili nyo para po mag-evolve pa po kayo or hindi pa po kayo nagagawa as a singer?
Kasi naman, I am my own, kumbaga, enemy. Compare ko yung sarili ko from the last gig na ginawa ko. So, lagi parang inisip ko, ay, hindi okay yung ginawa ko that time. So, I make it better. So, I just challenge myself to do more siguro and to sing some songs that are very challenging.
Are you also doing mga upbeat songs?
Yes naman, sa mga bar gigs ko. They also ask me to sing mga upbeat songs. Like sa mga parties din, di ba? Pag mga special shows, special occasions, syempre gusto nila party. So sometimes I sing fast songs.